or it is advisable that you pima weekly.
Okay.
It is important to weigh weekly so that you know how the birds are performing, so that you know how to manage your feed and feeding. Feed can be good, but feeding is not correct in terms of availability or accessibility. You see these birds, 8 days. When did you stop using this? This one should be used for around 7 days.
7 days.
7 days. 6, 7 days, then you shift to these ones. These ones are too deep, you can see wanaingia ndani. These ones, everybody will access this. So, when you place, you need to, these birds were 300.
Yeah, they were 300.
So you place 6 of these ones, so that this one should serve 50. And I can see you have how many?
Around.
These are 4.
Yeah.
So hizi unaswaga huko ndani yote. Then you use it for 6, 7 days, then you start introducing these others.